Hi everyone, my name is Dheeraj Shah and I have 2+ years of experience um, as a full stack developer and built some automation tools and a RAG system. Like I'm thinking of creating a playlist where I can share my knowledge and like what are the new things happening. How can you like balance things like latest changes in the techs? What are the new things you can handle? Either it's RAG systems or it's like knowledge graph, line graph, line chain, full stack development, design, and coding related stuff. Today, I'm going to introduce myself. We'll start with my portfolio. You can check out my portfolio at thiracha.com. You can see my work there as well. So, how the thing started? Like initially, I'm in college, and for the first year, I did not know basic coding like the Hello World and all those stuff. But within few months, I started understanding things. One of my friends helped me in this, and after that, I like uh, after learning some fundamentals and all this stuff, I started appearing in hackathons. I had been a few of hackathons, one of them in my college and one of it in Delhi, like Hack and Chill Hackathon, if you know about that. I'm top 10. I did not win the prize, but I was in top 10 out of, I guess, 300, 400 teams. Not sure exactly right now. Uh, Doing all those stuff, I get my first freelance client almost 2 years back then, and I built the website for them. This one, that website, vendor.de, a German-based vending machine listing platform where they basically want to list the vending machines in the websites to search nearby vending machines available and their location and what are the things present in the vending machines. After that, I worked for the startup in Delhi and like just work for half a month. Did not things work well for me, so left that. And after that, I started like I had done some small gigs of as a freelancing. After from January last year, I started working with Artiluma as a senior web developer, and I built the front end of complete front end and API integration and some part of LLM and all there. It's basically a talent network platform connecting creative professional with opportunity seekers. Uh, like if you are looking for some kind of jobs like music, dance, related stuff, they will connect you with the companies who need dancers, musicians, etc. And after that, I started working remotely on the contractual basis and like the same, like not the same thing client, but yeah, with the German client on the contractual basis. I had with them with multiple projects, some of our RAG projects, lift manufacturing or project, and some are like political party related projects or their projects. So I can't describe you more about that. If I specifically talk about and the automation projects as well. If I specifically talk about the RAG systems, initially I started with vector-based RAG, use Supabase PG vector for the embeddings and chunkings. And I'm going to talk about the how the hallucination work and all the stuff. What is RLM, RAG, and all the knowledge related to RAG. As most of the new companies are looking for that, I get the RAG project based on I started working on the RAG systems before this on Salesly, but like and they see my work from there, and I sell two of the RAG projects till now, and let's see how the things goes from here. So like on the rack, there are multiple things like the RLM, like when what you need to do when the database become larger and all RLM, all the stuff, and like what you need to do for the why you choose graph rag instead of vector-based DAG, why light rag or graffiti is better than super-based PG vector embeddings and all. We'll be going to discuss about that. For now, this is the quite thing. You can check out my website, see my work about and all the stuff. You can see all my projects there. I have some projects you can see and take inspiration from them. Like either relate, some of them are related to LLM and AI, and some of are related to like simple full stack projects. This is a healthcare platform. This basically helps me to win the hackathons and design to code a simple website. You can see the code and like if you want to understand how the architecture and things work in the production grade websites, you can see this one, the healthcare website, GitHub, and you can understand. And this one is also a good project, website scanner, that also works for you. It's basically a security analysis tool to scan websites vulnerabilities. Like initially, I find the gap. The people who just started coding, they expose their environment variables or keys or the basic issues. Like 10 of the security issues are there, and I rank it down there to detect if there is something phishing there. And then I create my own file conversion website. Those are the things you can check it out, and let's uh, try. If you have any exam, any suggestion, anything, I'm open for that. That's it for today. We will be talking about rag and how the vector rag works, how the graffiti and graph rag work, and why we should choose rag or graph rag. uh, if you want to just read the blog, you can read it here. That we have from vector rag to light rag to graffiti a blog there, and you can understand how the things work, a small glimpse. And I'm going to talk about this in detail for today. That's it from my side. Take care. Bye.